Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
We've all seen the commercials about ways to lower your car insurance premiums.
You're good.
Most are pretty clever and worthy of a few chuckles, but they do pose a valid question. Are you paying too much for your car insurance?
In this day and age, there's a lot of people who are trying to save as much as they can on car insurance, and our goal is to help them with that.
State Farm agent Renita Prevost says before you begin to comparison shop, you should first review your policy with your current insurer. Once you determine the level of coverage you need, ask about a higher deductible.
I tell you, when you're looking at deductibles, it's an individual choice. What are you comfortable taking out of your pocket should you have a claim?
This first cost-saving tip is likely to lower your rate. In fact, the Insurance Information Institute says increasing your deductible from $250 to $500 could reduce your premium by 15 to 30%. And upping it to $1,000 could save you 40% or more. The second cost-saving tip is to get rid of any unnecessary coverage. If you have an aging vehicle with no lien holder, Prevost says you might want to consider taking comprehensive and/or collision coverage off your car.
What I do is tell people to look and see what is the value or what do you think your car is worth.
As a general rule, it's not cost-effective to keep comp and collision if your car is worth less than a few $1,000s. You can check with NADA Guides or Kelley Blue Book to determine your car's current value. The third cost-saving tip is to do a discount double check. Some car insurance companies like State Farm offer discounts to drivers who put fewer than a predetermined number of miles on their vehicle each year. So ask about a low-mileage discount. And then there's multi-line discounts if you have other types of insurance with your company. And don't forget about good student and good driver discounts. Being accident-free like me could save you money. While a good driving record is important, so is being safe on the roads.
Obey the laws, drive safely, don't be aggressive, don't text and drive, don't drink and drive, obviously.
Kent Krabbe, executive director of the Maryland Automobile Insurance Fund, says accidents are the biggest single contributor to high insurance premiums.
So be safe on the roadways.
He also recommends researching auto rates on a particular car before you buy and check to see if there are any discounts for certain safety features or anti-theft devices like car alarms or electronic tracking systems.
Many insurers give discounts for highly rated safe vehicles, and also it's sometimes more costly to insure vehicles that are prone to theft.
And if you still feel like shopping around, here's tip number 4. Get at least 3 quotes, but don't shop on price alone. It's important to consider the company's reputation, customer service, and reliability.
Not necessarily about being cheaper or lower, it's about have you got the right coverage and have you got and are they going to be around when you have that claim? Because that's really what you're purchasing when you're buying auto insurance.
Whoopsies.
So while these catchy commercials may lure you in, do your homework to make sure saving a few bucks won't cost you in the end.